Welcome back, guys. So we are in 2017 Toyota Highlander XLE. It's a V6 3.5 liter engine. And recently, well, of course, I was making a trip and this triangle light pops up and also has what you call it, reminder as it requires some maintenance work. Please don't get panicked. Every time people see this triangle right on top, they get very nervous about it. Maintenance required soon sign and all that. It's only for your oil engine change message. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, I already popped the hood. So next thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and drain the oil and then replace the oil filter and pour the new engine oil into it, and then I'll show you how to do that. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so I just popped the hood. Here's the oil cap. I'm just gonna go ahead and kind of loosen it up, and we're gonna put this on the side. All right, then next thing you're gonna do, you want to just kind of like pull that open. So we'll have so your oil will be drained easily. Of course, I'm gonna have to get under the vehicle. So in order to drain your oil, you're gonna need 14 mm socket. You're gonna have to open that nut, the drain plug. You're gonna take that out with 14 mm, and then you're gonna need definitely a tool to replace your oil filter. This is the oil filter I got. It actually comes with the whole set. Let me show you. And this oil filter, I think it cost me around like 10 bucks. So it comes with the whole set. This right here is just for the drain, and it has some O-rings that's gonna go around the filter housing. And here's the filter. All right. So, and here's the oil that I'm gonna go ahead and add into the engine. This is Valvoline full synthetic 0W20. This one running about $26–27 depending where you are, and Walmart has the cheapest, so I'll always get that from Walmart. All right, so just in case you missed the part number, here's the part number for your oil filter, and Valvoline 0W20 full synthetic. All right, let me get under the vehicle. I'm gonna go ahead and start draining the oil and then take out the oil filter. All right, guys, so I'm under the vehicle. This is your oil filter housing right there, and here's your drain plug right there. Let me just point it out. This is the one right there. As you can see, this is your oil pan. This is your drain plug. All right, so you're gonna use 14 mm socket or wrench, whichever, and loosen that. It will drain all your oil fluid. And once I'm done with this, then we're gonna go ahead and unscrew this and take out the oil filter and replace that. Okay, stay tuned. I'm just gonna go ahead and crack that bolt open. I'll be right back. All right, guys, so I have cracked that open. Here's the drain plug. As you can see, I did not jack up my vehicle. You have enough clearance if you're working inside of your garage or on the driveway. Let me just, there we go. All right, so we're gonna let that sit, let it drain for a while. Once it's done draining it, I'm gonna go ahead and crack this open, and then we will continue to replace the oil filter. I'll be right back. All right, so here's my oil filter housing opener. It is actually 14, yeah, here you can see it. It's 1465/67. Okay, so this is what we're gonna use on top of this, like that, and then we're gonna open this up and take the oil filter out and replace it with the new one. Okay. All right, guys, so I got this oil filter housing out using my tool.
And here's that. So right inside you can see this is the oil filter. I'm gonna let that sit for a while on the drain pan and then remove this oil filter out and put the new one in. I'll be right back. All right guys, so here's the housing, and as you can see, this o-ring, it needs to be replaced. The kit has 2 of them, so the big one goes on top of this, all around this, and the other one goes where the drain plug is, just to drain. I'm gonna go ahead and remove this o-ring, put the new one on, and then here's our new oil filter. All right, and I'm just gonna apply some lube all around it and then slide it back in just like this. There we go. Just to show you, this is how it goes back in. This will snap back in. Okay, so let me go ahead and finish this, and then we're gonna put this oil filter back in its place. I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now we're gonna go ahead and put this oil filter housing back in there. So I'm gonna have to tie it up all the way, and then I'm gonna make sure my 14mm is tied up all the way, tied in all the way, and then of course we're gonna use some brake clean to get rid of all this oil spillage, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so we are all done. I have tightened the bolt all the way, and the oil filter housing is back in its place. Now we're gonna go ahead, get on top of the vehicle and add the new engine oil into it. All right guys, so I have added about 5 quarts, 5 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic oil into it. I'm gonna give it about another 2 more minutes to let the oil go down, and then we're gonna check the gauge, make sure that the engine has everything up to the mark where it should be, and then I'm gonna crank the engine, let it run for a while. Then we're gonna get behind the wheel just to make sure that all the oil life is reset, and I will show you how to reset that. Stay tuned, please. All right guys, so since we have done the oil change, now it's time to reset the light, the triangle light right on top, maintenance required. So there's 2 ways you can do it. Let me turn off my flash. 1 second. All right, so there's 2 ways you can. So first thing you can do, you can just simply press and hold this button, and then turn the power button on second position. Means 2 times you have to press. If you have a push to start like I have, then you have to press this button two times. Like right now, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna turn it off. So as you can see, it's off, right? I'm gonna go ahead and I need both of my hands, but I'm gonna press this 2 times, like push, and then you want to hold this gauge, the button for the odometer. You have to press and hold till the light will be coming flashing. So let's see if I can do it at the same time while I'm showing you. No, doesn't do it. Okay, let's turn it off, and there it goes. Okay, this trick didn't do it. I need both of my hands. Let's start one more time. Turn it off, and then still didn't do it. I need both of my hands. I gotta press and hold this before I turn the key to ignition on. Anyway, so the other way you can do it is, let's say you press this U key, and then you have the main screen right there, for example,
And what you're gonna do now is you're gonna use your cursor, you know, and you're gonna go to your settings. Right there. Then you're gonna scroll down till you see schedule maintenance, which is right there, and press OK. And now, should maintenance reset data? You want to say yes, and done. It's been reset. So that's one way to do it. And the other way to do it is just, let's say I'm gonna come back out here. I'm gonna turn it off so I can show you. I should not have this triangular maintenance light no more. I know about this. There, ta-da. So I really hope that this video helped you. Give us a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I will make more video for you. Just like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.